Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Striker 4 to a battery. First, identify the power cable that came with your device. This cable typically has two wires, one red and one black. Ensure you are using a 12-volt deep-cycle marine battery, which is ideal for this type of fish finder. Having the correct components ready is the first crucial step for a successful setup. Now, let's make the connections. Take the red wire from your Garmin power cable and securely connect it to the positive terminal of your 12-volt battery. Next, connect the black wire to the negative terminal. It's essential to use marine-grade crimp connectors for a robust and corrosion-resistant connection. This ensures a reliable power supply to your fish finder, preventing any interruptions during use. With the wires connected, it's time to secure and test. Double-check that both the red and black connections are tight and won't easily come loose. Applying a small amount of dielectric grease to the terminals can help prevent corrosion, extending the life of your connections. Finally, power on your Garmin Striker 4 to confirm it receives power and functions correctly. This quick test ensures everything is working as expected. To ensure longevity and safety, consider these best practices. Always disconnect your battery when the Garmin Striker 4 is not in use to prevent unnecessary power drainage. For added protection, install an inline fuse, typically a 3-amp fuse, on the positive wire. This safeguards your device from power surges. Lastly, mount your fish finder securely to minimize vibrations and potential damage while on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.